Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Wilson, Executive Director of Golf Operations for Keiser University College of Golf and Sport Management, PGA Master Professional, and Impact Zone Golf Master Instructor. Just yesterday, we had a really dear gentleman come in to the school and donate 75 books that he had in his collection for the College of Golf, so we can put in our library and our students can share in these books. And that's what I've got a few of right here. His whole list of 75 is cataloged. His name is Charles Chuck McCallum. A great player. As a matter of fact, I'll show you this book here in a minute, and an autograph that was written to him by Mr. Sam Snead. But Chuck is up in age. He's in his 80s now. He doesn't play any longer. He played his last round of golf in April, but he's played in 3 British Amateurs and competed all over the world with some of the best golfers in history. Kerry Middlecoff, Sam Snead. He played a lot of golf with Sam Snead, Byron Nelson, you name it. He was right there with the greats, and opened up a couple of golf courses down here in Florida. Was a founding member of a couple of courses in Fort Lauderdale. Hired the head professional, a good friend of mine, Tom Stewart, for Adios Country Club. Just a great man. We spent about an hour chatting about common acquaintances we have. They go all the way back to Memphis, Tennessee, where I was born and raised, and Dr. Kerry Middlecoff's instructor, who I took lessons from, Doc Mitchell. Speaking of Kerry Middlecoff, there are 2 books right here that Dr. Middlecoff wrote, and Chuck played quite a bit of golf with Doc Middlecoff and knew him and knew his unique move and his kind of squat action through the golf ball. Another book here by Arnold Palmer in 1961, 85-minute golf lessons that were published in the 60s. This one is from the mid-50s. It's Golf Secrets of the Pros. That's a very interesting pictorial. As you can see from the old pictures that are in it, it is quite fascinating, and some of the tips that are here are still valid today. This one is Winning Golf by Byron Nelson, and it has Byron Nelson's autograph in it here, and some crayon marks that I'm sure Chuck didn't do, but his kids or grandkids did. And this one, just to show you the caliber of golf that Chuck was. To Chuck, a hell of a player, always, Sam Snead. And that is Sam's very famous book, The Education of a Golfer. So we're very honored to have Mr. Chuck McCallum's books in our library, and we thank him profusely, and we wish him all the best in the future. If you want to see what history is all about, come visit the College of Golf at Keiser University. I'm Dr. Eric Wilson, Executive Director of Golf Operations, Keiser University College of Golf and Sport Management.